chocolate cookie. My daughter's actually got into it already. See, it's cold. I'm gonna warm it up, but I'm gonna put it with ice cream. I'm gonna